In real life, you put your mouth over the sink and hold it straight ahead and splash. In real life, for the sake of this video, let's do what we're gonna. Let's floss our teeth in gum lines. Hit the subscribe button and let's unbox this. Hey everyone, this is Rosemary. Thank you for tuning in with us. If this is the first time stopping, by our channel, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe for more helpful videos. We do a whole lot of reviews on this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being loyal. Seriously, thank you. Today I'm reviewing this product. It's a water flosser. You can say AKA portable oral irrigator. Now, hit the subscribe button. Let's get started. So it says that rotates 360 for easy cleaning, IPX7 waterproof, and rechargeable battery, which is very good. And then 2 minutes smart time. Also, let's go to the important part. It's low noise, so hopefully we'll see how that goes. Powerful pulsation, and what the water contains 320 mils large capacity, and then gravity ball down there. I know you can read all this stuff whenever you get it. More effective plague remover, remove 99.9% of plague, in areas that are hard to reach. We're gonna see for sure. Improve gum health, more healthier and all that stuff. Superior cleaning around the braces. If you have braces, you can also wear it. And has different color. Has a white and black, or white and clear or something. And then has that color. Black and clear. Has white, and then it has pink. In case you want, detachable water tank for easy filling and cleaning. This is me reading instructions too because I never had to use it. And then 2000 mAh lithium battery, extra long working time. And then the waterproof, 6 modes for working. You have to select the one that's more comfortable to meet various oral needs. Once again, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe at this point. Every time I'm making these videos, I either just finish fighting with the baby, doing mama's job, plus work, plus YouTube. So pardon my face. It's 9 p.m. I usually do this when they are fast asleep, because tomorrow is school. Tomorrow, Friday. So this is the white. It's a white color. It's bigger than I thought. I thought it would be like, just very portable. We'll see. In here is instructions, which I never read because I don't have the patience to read it. I don't have the patience to read it. I'm usually in a hurry before that baby starts yelling and shouting and crying. Okay, so these are the parts. That's good. So those are the parts, the irrigation parts, the long parts. I think you can even open it. It came with different color. I just keep throwing stuff. It's about 5. Each has different colors. I feel like I'm about to be a dentist overnight. And the charger. Okay, it's already pre-charged. So this is where the charger goes, I think. That's where the charging cord goes in. And this has some lock, open and lock. So I guess, okay, when you do that, it opens up. And this is the gravity ball. When you turn it to the left, it locks. When you turn it the other way, turn it clockwise, it opens up. Turn it anti-clockwise, it closes up. And what is this one? Probably the tank where you can refill water in case you didn't want to open it up. Let's fill it up and see how that. Oh, so that's the mode. 5, 6 different modes. You see. So have the water in there. So this takes about 4 to 6 hours to charge, and then it automatically shuts off if you've been using it for about 120 minutes. So about 2 hours continuously, it automatically shuts off. And to put the jet nozzle, you put it there, and this ejects it if when you want to take it out. You press it and it ejects it. But of course, the water tank cover, if I open it, the water is gonna leak out. And then the mode, the on and off button, power button. Let's try this out with the tongue cleaning nozzle. So that's what the tongue cleaning nozzle is. See, it's there. If you want to take it out, you pull it and press that to eject it out. If not, it's not gonna come out. You press it and pull. Okay, let's try to clean the tongue. I have my bucket here just to make sure it doesn't splash. And when we start, we're gonna start with the first gear. We'll put this at the middle to the half back of the tongue and then pull forward. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Oh, press and hold. It's splashing. So start with gear 1 first. You get the idea. So this has memory function. Before I had stopped at gear 2. So it started from that gear 2. I'm gonna turn it on and then put it back to gear 1. I also noticed that you can change the modes without turning it on. Yeah, turn it off. The water is almost gone. I haven't even done anything. Do I have to screw it? This is for whatever malfunction some of you can have. So I'll go ahead and increase the gears by changing the mode, and the pressure will cause the blue pin to fall off. So it keeps falling off. I'm going to turn it off. What I want to know is, why is it leaking out? Why is it leaking out through all these places? Because you guys can see it with me. It was leaking out. I don't want this video to be too long, but you get the idea. Let's check the other jet nozzles. Now we'll take this off and put this periodontal, pocket nozzle. The ones that clean the pocket of your teeth. Okay, and I refilled my water. So push it down until here it clicks. Like so. So hopefully this one will not fall off like the other one. I don't know if I'm holding this the wrong way or if it's supposed to be that way, like so, but I don't think it should be facing the water tank. I think it's that way, so that way you can easily shift your gears. Let's do this again. So turn it on, and within the process you're gonna see my hands pressing and shifting the gears. Gear 1. I'm gonna increase the gear. turn it off. Okay, this didn't fall out. And my water is finished. For the sake of this video, everything is flashing on the screen. Sorry about that. Let's check the last nozzle. By now you get the idea. If you have braces on, you can actually use any of those ones. So I think they all look the same. They all look the same, but I'll be using this one. And this is the classic nozzle. Refill water. So for this particular one, the classic one, it says to move the nozzle, along the gum lines and stay in between the teeth. And then we're gonna have to close our mouth, but leave some space, to avoid splashing, because this is a bigger nozzle. And then leave some space to drain out, and keep it upright like this, so you can use it, like this, in between your teeth, and keep it for a short amount of time. Something about make the jet stream and gum line at 90 degrees, but close your lips to avoid splashing. Keep the machine upright during use. We'll see how that goes, because at the end of the day, with each nozzle I had to open up and read on it. Bucket again. So I had to clean it up a little bit since I haven't been using it. Okay, this will splash. Let me put it up to get 6 so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So I turned this off because if this was a sink, I was supposed to go like this. But because it's a bucket, and for the sake of the video, that's why I'm bending it. If not, I wanted to make it like this if I was on the sink. Okay. Okay, it's finished. Oh, I feel like I just had a gum massage. You may not be able to see this clearly. Ooh, that's interesting. I never imagined myself using something like this, but for the sake of review, I accepted to get the product and review it. Other than that, guys, sorry, long video. I didn't mean to, but I have to show how it actually works. In case for some of you that doesn't want to, use the regular flosser, but I mean, I'm all soaked. I'm all soaked and all that. If you're ever wondering if you should get it, well, you're welcome to give it a try. The product link is gonna be in the description box. I don't remember how much, or rather, I'm ready to see how much for sure. So please go ahead and click to get it, and then you can try it. You can try it. It's like hydrotherapy, something. It's like hydrotherapy. My thing is the tongue, the blue one keeps falling off, so figure it out. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. I never had to use it before. But thank you so much for watching, guys. See you in my next video. And thank you to the company for, giving me this opportunity to review this product and try something different. It's funny, I had just flossed my teeth on a video. I feel so nervous making this video, but bye. Thank you.